Hi everybody, this is Ron from Full Time Dream, and we're still work camping here in Allegheny State Park in New York. And just like last year, we found something we wanted to show you.
Hey, my name's Skylar from Buffalo. I just got a little teardrop here.
We were doing our work camper duties, cleaning sites, and we saw this set up inside and saw a nice little homemade teardrop. How did you come about getting it?
So I bought it used from a woman in Maine off eBay for about 2,500 bucks. Was in rougher shape then, but I knew a contractor, so he fixed it up for me over the winter.
How much does the thing actually weigh?
It weighs 1,080 pounds right now, but I'm trying to get it down to 999 to register it.
And I see you have a little trailer hitch so that you can pull it around and maneuver it around in the campsite pretty good.
Yeah, I at some point want to weld on a hitch wheel, but the one I had wasn't on right, so I just bought a little trailer dolly at one of the hardware stores for like 80 bucks, and that does the trick.
Is the shell of it made out of metal or all metal, or is it?
I think it's sheet metal over like plywood, a little bit on the sides.
I see. How big is the camper overall?
I want to say it's 10 feet long by about 8 wide. It's the size of a full-size bed, and then a couple extra feet on the back for the galley. Okay.
So it's just basically a sleeping quarters inside the front end here?
Yeah, I can open it up. It's just a full-size bed. Just a full-size bed in there. Got some battery power spring lights on the top. Pretty basic.
It's really all you need. Is better than sleeping on the ground in a tent.
What I figure, yeah.
Yeah.
A lot more comfortable.
And is this the galley where you did most of your work on it, or is it?
Yeah, so just replaced the wood was sort of rotting out, so we just replaced the wood, threw in some drawers, got a new cooler, that kind of thing.
And you have plans for it once you get it fully functioning, or you got plans for any type of trip at all, or?
Mostly just the local state campground, Finger Lakes and stuff. Maybe do a road trip back up to Nova Scotia next year, but
have you thought about hooking up any type of solar to it at all, or is it just kind of?
Yeah, I mean, it's wired for electric in theory, so in a few years if I have some extra cash I might throw a solar panel on there as a battery, but I got the battery power lights, so it's not a priority for me.
Okay, are there any things that you really like about how the camper now that you have it the way you have, or?
Yeah, well, I come from tent camping, so it's just a whole lot more comfortable than sleeping on the ground. And I like having a little kitchen, you know, make my coffee, have my cooler and all. That's nice. Yeah, it's a little bit of an upgrade from tent camping.
Right. Is there anything you don't like about it? Anything that you plan on doing some changes to?
Not much I plan on changing. It's a bit heavy to maneuver around by myself with the campsites, which is annoying, but it's doable. So.
Well, there you have it, everybody. And just like I said, we like to find stuff that is a little bit different that you don't see all over the place, and give you the opportunity to see it. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. If you like the camper, give us some thumbs up. Communicate with us a little bit, get that algorithm going. All right, everybody have a good day. Bye now.